If you love spicy, crispy, and incredibly fast recipes, you need to try these spicy potato roses. They're beautiful, they're addictive, and they're ready in under 10 minutes. Let's make magic with potatoes. Start by slicing your potatoes into very thin sheets. Add salt, black pepper, and spicy red chili powder. Mix everything well until all slices are perfectly coated. Line your baking dish with aluminum foil. Take the potato slices and start arranging them just like flower petals. Keep rolling and shaping until you form beautiful potato roses. Bake at 180 C for 20 minutes until the edges start to get lightly crispy. Chop your mushrooms. Melt a little butter in a pan and saute the mushrooms until soft. Tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? And what's your favorite spicy potato recipe? Add finely chopped colored bell peppers. Stir and saute together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy homemade recipes. See you in the next video. Chop the sausages or cold cuts kielbas and add them in. Add cooked corn. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. Season with salt, black pepper, and oregano. Mix until everything becomes a creamy, delicious filling. Take the baked potatoes out of the oven. Carefully fill each rose with the creamy mixture. Top generously with mozzarella cheese for that amazing melt and stretch. Bake again for 20 minutes at 180°C until golden, crispy, and beautifully melted. And that's it, your spicy, crispy potato roses are ready. Golden, cheesy, and unbelievably delicious. Would you try this at home?